Hiker Jay here. This week I'm installing the Bulletproof mounting solution for my Jeep to be able to put my GPS up and my phone and everything. They say it's so easy that I'm gonna do it with a chicken in my Jeep. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. So this is my best chicken, Kevin. He's Polish. He's got an awesome hairdo. Kind of looking rough from the winter, but he's gonna help me install this in my Jeep. So hey, before we jump in the Jeep and install this Bulletproof mount, if you could hit subscribe, that would be awesome. And as always, all the products I'll be talking about will be down in the description down below so you can get one yourself. We're gonna see how quick this install goes here. Kevin, man, he's not very patient. Usually gets in the Jeep and he's like, dude, let's do some off-roading. Yeah, let's do some off-roading, bro. So let's see how we can do installing the Bulletproof mount for my phone and GPS with a chicken in the Jeep. Let's do it. Hey, Kevin, you ready to do this, buddy? Now, I'm not going to do really an unboxing here, but they do have a really nice box. It comes well packed, bunch of stickers. Here's the instructions, boss. What do you think? No, don't need it. It's one screw. Got a cool sticker. And in here is everything that we need. Now, I bought the dual mount that will go right in the JK. Comes with one holder, and I got the magnet one, which I'm going to explain a little bit later about how I want to use it to hold a GPS, and I got another one of these coming to be able to hold my phone. So let's install it. So right now you can see I have a GoPro mount on my dash right here and then a magnet for my phone. I want to get rid of that. So I got the one that actually has a phone holder and a GoPro. I may keep my GoPro here because, like I said, in the long run, I want to have another bar that'll hold my GPS. First thing you got to do is you got to pull this rubber out of here. Got a little bone in there. Found that somewhere. Part of a vertebrae. Kind of cool. But really, there's just one thing you need to do, and that is pull this bolt. What do you think, Kev? Pull that bolt right out of there. Yep, Kevin's trying to get that screw out. That's it, buddy. Yeah, get on it. Get after it. Here, I'll get the right bolt for you, buddy. All right, so I do have this. It's a 9/32. We'll just pull this one screw out, and it holds in with a screw and also some 3M tape. All right, pull that bolt so Kevin don't eat it. Now here's the bracket itself. Now it's gonna go right in there, and then we're gonna have these awesome points to actually hold on right there. It's gonna be sweet. So what we wanna do is we wanna pull the 3M tape off and then line it up and then be able to bolt that screw right back down in there. So let's pull this off. Kevin's eating Scratch right now. For chickens, Scratch is like candy, man. Here you go, buddy. There's some more right here. Scratch is like candy. They love it, but you don't want to feed it too often because it's way too sweet. Not really best for them. It's great as a treat. Makes them really happy and comfortable. So now we need to line this bad boy up. Line up with the bolt. Thread it in a bit here. Tighten it up. All right, so we've got that mounted. Stick it in, stick it on as best we can. It is only 10 degrees out, so I'm not sure how well this is gonna hold. Bud, you finish your Scratch? Here you go, Kev. Hi, buddy. Yeah, good boy. See, Kevin's got a really beautiful eye on this side. Kevin's got a really beautiful eye on this side, but his eye over here isn't too good. I don't know if it got pecked or what, but he is almost 6 years old. So he's an old rough chicken, but he's been hanging on for a long time. So now this is the bar that we're gonna attach here. And pretty easy, you just kind of separate it like that. Okay. And then tighten her up around the ball joint. Yeah, that's right, Kev. Now I am gonna go with the magnet. Now they do have different connectors. I love the magnets. They do have a clamp one, which I might do in the long run. But right now I'm just gonna do the magnet because that's what my phone and everything has on it. And I really like that as an option. I love that I can aim this in any way for my phone. That's gonna be absolutely awesome. Over here, what they've got is a GoPro mount for right here. So I'll put that one on now. So I'm using my GoPro to film right now, so I can't really put it in there. So I'll just put this case in there so you can see how it holds. And I do like the angle quite a bit that it's a lot higher, because sometimes when I'm filming and I have it clipped down here, I'm catching too much of the windshield wiper, where I feel like this angle will be a lot better. Once I get this all set up, Kevin and I will go off-road and we'll show you how this works when we're filming it. So, oh, he likes that. So there it is. Now, one thing I do want to show you is that I have a tablet that I am using for GPS, and I know it's not really supposed to hold, but man, look at that. It actually holds it. That will be amazing. So my plan is to make a little better bracket for it, but be able to have that right here while I'm driving and be able to do my Gaia maps is gonna be amazing. So that's holding way better than I thought, but I'm not gonna trust that. That's just, I'm gonna figure out a different bracket for it. But I do have that option. When I'm just cruising down the highway, I would totally trust it on the highway. But off-roading, not so sure. So I've got my phone in my drone right now, so, but this is my case, and I do plan to use it on here, which is pretty sweet. So I'm really happy with this Bulletproof mount. It's gonna be sweet. The fact that I've got 2 mounts, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change this out with another bar coming out for the passenger or whatever. My son's always doing Spotify and such, and then I can just put this in my glove box and take it out whenever I needed to film with it. All right, Kevin, what do you think? Should we take it for a ride? We're going off-roading. Let's do it, buddy. He likes to just hang and look outside the window, check everything out, make sure there's no hawks coming. They're so smart about hawks. Good catch, buddy. All right, woo! Off-road chicken, baby. Off-road chicken. Chickens have this sweet little gimbal where they can actually balance no matter what. So he does pretty good in the Jeep, cruising along. All right, Kev, why don't we go around the back end of the property, see what we got here. Ooh, tons of deer tracking stuff. You see that, huh, Kev? All right. Well, I'm gonna stop the video here. Listen, if you want to get one of these Bulletproof mounts, I got the link down in the description so you can check them out there. They're pretty sweet. Say bye, Kevin. No, you're not getting down in the seat. Stay up on your perch, bro. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy. Go off-roading with your chicken. Oh, I know, I'll get going, buddy. I'm sorry, I've got going. Let's do it. I know most people use dogs to go overlanding, but man, I gotta tell you what, chickens are catching on. You want to try it out.